Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to change color in Photoshop. Firstly, launch Adobe Photoshop, then go to File, Open, then select the image you want to edit. Use any selection tool like Quick Selection Tool, Lasso Tool, or Magic Wand Tool. Carefully select the object or area whose color you want to change. Now, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Hue and Saturation. Click OK in the pop-up dialog. This creates a non-destructive adjustment layer above your selected image. In the Properties panel of the Hue/Saturation layer, Hue shifts the color itself, Saturation increases or decreases the intensity of the color, and Lightness brightnesses or darkens the selected area. If unwanted areas are affected, click on the Layer Mask thumbnail in the Hue Saturation layer and use the Brush tool. To black hides the adjustments and white reveals it. Paint over areas to refine where the effect is applied.